Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can watch anime on your Firestick TV. First thing you wanna do is head over to your Firestick TV and click on this find option. And then you wanna tap on the search button. And we're gonna search for this app called Downloader. And this is this yellow logo icon thingy. And you wanna click on this one. And then we're gonna click on download. And once it is downloaded, you wanna head over to your settings. After that, you want to go to My Fire TV. You want to search for developer options. And there you want to click on install unknown apps. After that, you want to click on downloader and make sure this is turned on. After that, you're free to download this app. So we're going to click on this thing over here and click on downloader. Then we're going to click on this URL and we're going to search for firesticktricks.com/fire anime and hit on go. Then something like this will start getting downloaded. And then a pop-up window will come like this and you want to click on install and then done one more time. And after this status comes, you want to head over to click on delete. We don't need this one. And there you go. This is how all of the animes available on Fire Anime will come and you can watch them. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this and I'll see you guys in the next one.